yolk of the hard-boiled egg. Make sure to avoid cutting the yolk. Then, cut the white to resemble a cracked egg. Next, roll the yolk into 3 drops of red food coloring. Slice the olives to make the eyebrows. Cut the carrots to make the beaks. Using a piping tip, cut out small circles from the fried egg whites to make the eyes. Using an edible pen, darken the pupils. Then, gently press beak, eyes, and brows onto the red yolk to secure the Angry Bird's features. Place it onto the egg white. Repeat the step with the yellow egg yolk, but this time use carrots instead to make the eyebrows and the olive for the hair. Next, cut half an inch of carrot with a sliver in the middle. Then use a toothpick or melted cheese to secure a hard-boiled egg. Then repeat the steps to secure the Angry Bird's features. Roll another yolk in 2 drops of green food coloring. Then color one of the small circle egg whites in the green food coloring. Then gently press it onto the green yolk and repeat the steps to make the eyes for the pig. Use egg whites for the teeth. Mash the remaining yolks and add the mayonnaise, salt and pepper, paprika, and mustard. Then separate the mixture into 3 bowls. Add 2 drops of the red food coloring to one of the bowls and mix. Then add 2 drops of green food coloring to the other and mix. Spoon the mixture into the cracked egg whites and shape it to a bird. Then you will use small pieces of olives and carrots to make the eyes and beaks. Add small pieces of egg whites to the top of the heads to make it look like they're hatching.